Okay, so we're in Colipa, okay, and so we just had breakfast, and this is a farmer's house. He has tons of chickens. This is where they get the chickens for the town. Okay, and here's a parrot. Okay, we're gonna quietly go up to this parrot. Hello, hello. Look at that parrot, isn't that beautiful? Hello, hello. Hello, hello. This is Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. I'm in Colipa, Mexico. We got chickens here. They're laying eggs. He's got chickens, cattle. That's how they live in Mexico. We've forgotten how to live that in America. Isn't that funny? It's beautiful here, people. Absolutely beautiful.